how to create an account in SoundCloud. So let's get started. If you also want to create an account in SoundCloud, here's what you need to do. First thing first, just open up your SoundCloud application. Here, you will get two options, either to log in or create an account. Just tap on Create an Account, and you should be redirected to this page, where you can actually create an account with your Facebook account, Google account, or Apple account. For this example, I'll simply select my email account and enter it. Just like that, click on Continue. Here, you need to choose a password, basically create a password. You can also choose the same password you use for this particular registered email address. Once you enter the password, just select Continue, and then enter all of the mentioned details, such as display name, age, and gender. After that, select Continue once again, and it will verify your device. Wait for some time, and just like that, you should be successfully signed into your SoundCloud account. That's it for today, guys. I hope this video was informative. If it was, don't forget to like and subscribe to the channel. See you on the next one.